Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Japan Study Center. Today we are going to see the chapter of geography and what is our topic today?
Watershed development. There is the next is the most important watershed development. The meaning of a watershed refers to an area where the water flow to about a point. The planned use of this water can be deliver better result. You know that there is an important point here. The meaning of watershed refer to on the area where the water flow to about a point. The planned use of this water can be deliver better result. Related area may be a village or a group of village in their form of unity. The unit is an important all kind of land like agricultural, wasteland and forest may be included in this area. You know that there is important here all kind of land like agriculture, wasteland and the forest may be included in this area. A maximum use of land is the possible by adopting a watershed program. The overall development with the proper utilization of the water in the area in a consider to be a watershed development. That is important and watershed development here a point. The first point here, benefit of watershed development. That is important here. The following benefit can be achieved by the watershed development here. A first here, supply of water for drinking and irrigation here. And secondly here, increase in a biodiversity. And third here, loss of acidity in the soil and free for a standing water. And next year, increasing in the agriculture production and productivity. Decrease in the cutting of forest, and next year increasing in the standing of living, and the next year increasing in employment. There is an important part here. The next year is important here. The result of watershed development. There is the most important here. The result of watershed development, not with an understanding a hug amount of expenditure made by the government. There is important $2 billion by 2000. There is important here expenditure of made by government $20 billion by 2000. On the watershed development, we have not been able to achieve our desired result so far. There is important here use of money, but it's not a desired result so far. And there is a following factor are responsible for this. The first here, lack of scientific thinkings, and secondly here, imperfect techniques. And the next year, indifferent attitude of local population. And the next lack of coordination among the various departmental agency and absence of independent ministry. There is a most important factor of fail of this program. The next year, river linkage. There is a most important rivers link for each other. The large area of country suffer from to the drought and the floods. Drought and flood are two sides of same coin. You know that is an important point. Drought and flood are two sides of same coin. National Water Development Authorities was constituted in 1982 to solve this problem. The main object of constitutions was to identify only the national water network. Finally, National Water Development Authorities is identified linkage of 30 rivers. The large rivers have mainly been included in this program. Authorities has recommended starting of the work on 6 places of the river linkage, and there is a compilation has to be carried out of the 3 stages. The first stage here, in the first stage, mainly a peninsular river is Mahandis and Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri has been included. And second stage, in the second stage, linkage of a small river basin of Peninsula India has been to the recommended. And Ken, Betava and the Path Tapi is rivers are included in this. And third stage here, in this third stage, there is a provision for a linking or tributaries of Ganga and Brahmaputra with one to another. The next here, benefit of river linkage. There is the most important point here, benefit of river linkage. All around the development on area is possible by joining of basin. The irrigation of about 250 lakh hectare additionally is agriculture area is possible by surface water after the success of this program. That is important here. The 250 lakh hectare additionally agriculture area is possible by surface water after the success of this program. The underground water will be available to be irrigate of additional agriculture area about 100 lakh hectare. With the result of irrigated area will increasing from 1,130 lakh hectare to the 1,500 lakh hectare. Addition of hydroelectricity of about 340 lakh kilowatt will be generated. And besides this is a benefit, many others benefit like flood control, water transport, water supply, fishing, removal of acidity from the soil and control on the water pollution will be also be achieved. But this benefit can be easily achieved. Much money of time has been spent on this project. According to an estimate, a large is a sum of rupees 560,000 crore are required to complete this project. There is a most important a sum of rupees here.